Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for the 8th of January. Happy New Year 2024. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it has been a great trading week for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance before you ever take on that trade, that setup, or use that indicator. All right. So market just closed. We're about 5 minutes after 4 right now, and a very interesting pattern setting up right now. So if we back this up, we just back the bus up just a little bit, right? We actually have a brand new fib on our S&P chart. We drew it in there yesterday, right? I've got a good strong support line in here, right? This actually came down. It was phase 1, 2, and 3 of our, here, let me actually draw that in there, make it easier to see it. 1, 2, 3 of the uptrend, right? This was our original uptrend. This became our secondary support in here, very short-lived. Our tertiary support right here. And we have just chug right along that line for the last couple of months, right? It has been wunderbar. And then we go ahead and wind up, as I said yesterday, we redrew the fib on the S&P as well as on SPY. Just because of that rollover, we had enough of a pullback in there. I'm satisfied with it. But we need to look at exactly what's happening and exactly where the chart is sitting right now. See, up here, we're in a true bullish bias. We got up and we peaked out where we wound up running into what is the zero line for the fib and rolled over. We had that really nice rollover and that pullback. We wind up with a 47.11, call it 47.12 fib in there. We have a 46.92 21 moving average. We have a 4,600 100-point level, and we have this phase 3 uptrend line, support line, that we're sitting right there. We closed right at it yesterday, and today we took a small bounce. We're up 8.5 points or so. Nothing dramatic, but this could be the next potential push up if we get the bounce here. This is a very strong level because we have multiple things happening. Like what? Like the trend line, like the 100-point line, like the Fibit that we have in there, like the 21 moving average. You got 4, 5 if you count the 8 moving average, right in that similar vicinity. A lot of strength, lots of strength there. If we get that break, I'm real excited. We're looking back up at this 47.93 level, which is that zero line, that fib line. If we do break to the downside, we've got our next fib, which is the 0.236. That takes us down to about 46.30 on the next downside target. It also moves us back into a neutral. Well, actually, we closed in a neutral bias yesterday, so we're still, even though we're above the 21, we're still in a neutral bias. You can't go down between the green and brown moving average, the 21 to 55. You can't close in there, then close above, right? So when we closed here yesterday, it put us at neutral on this candle. This doesn't make us bullish neutral. You got to get back to bullish before you can become bullish neutral. It's just the only way that it works, right? VIX is playing a nice game as well, right? We're down 75 cents today, so not a whole lot. We're sitting at 1336. Still super low on the VIX. Real happy with the overall numbers, right? So if we can get that nice push and that breakout this upcoming week, we've got that 47.93, 4800 zone is our first target. And then 48.87, 4900 is the next target from there. So we've got some nice upside potential. We get a little further away with the next one. It's not going to worry too much about that. And there you have it. Make it a great day, and I will see you all at our next update. Take care, folks. Have a good weekend. Bye for now.